outside. These people have been here.
Look up, point it up to the sign at Best Buy.
Best Buy. It is 2:34
in the morning.
Look, we're about to go up to Target. Go up to Target.
You some stupid motherfucker. Put the camera on me. I would never in my motherfucking.
Wait, you can't.
I got it.
Shit, your burger, bro.
I would never in my motherfucking life come up to sit outside in motherfucking 33-degree weather to get shit from my kids, my wife. I don't give a fuck if they want to die. Fuck them. Now look at these stupid motherfuckers at Target.
We at Target.
God damn.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
Wait.
Put up a barricade like some motherfucking zombies gonna come and get them and shit.
Oh
shit. The mist is out and shit.
Oh my God. Look, they got tents, bro.
Got a lot of bums around this motherfucking San Antonio. Look, they
got a taco truck, bro. They got a taco truck.
Eating these motherfuckers like they homeless.
Oh my God.
I feel like I was one of the lowest.
Oh my God. It's still going down. Oh, look at all these people.
Y'all make me want to piss on y'all.
Woo, hell no.
Hey, look at this ass though. Hey, look at this ass though. Ooh, hold on. God damn, these some stupid motherfuckers. Boy, I tell you, if I ain't know no better, nigga, I'd go out there and piss on them one of them motherfuckers. Look at these motherfuckers here. She's walking in 33-degree weather, my nigga. Like, we going through this whole complex just to see these motherfuckers. Because they're fucking stupid. I'm not even rolling down the window to say shit to them.
Look at it. Look at her.
She's sloppy and shit. Look at oh, shit.
Oh, my God.
Sloppy and shit.
Oh, my God.
Don't get me while I'm eating my nigga shit. Making them think.
Again, look at what time it is.
2:36.
2:36. Look, this Old Navy is open right now.
Dog.
It is open right now.
People are inside.
People are inside Old Navy.
Look at the legs under the $15.55.
Yeah, they can see people. Look, they got a baby. What the hell is a baby doing up?
Horrible parenting.
Hey, I don't think nobody's.
I think I'm gonna call CPS now. Fuck. Yeah. Now let's go to the Palladium, see if motherfuckers waiting on this $20, $100 gift card thing that's about to go down. Because if there is, I swear I'll bum rush them this in the morning when I get up. Shit, because I won't be sitting out here at no motherfucking 6 to get no gift card. Shit, I'm going right at 8, and I'm cutting the line. And anybody got a motherfucking problem, we can handle it right there. Shit. Yeah, go ahead and get a nigga while he's driving and shit.
Yeah, shut up. I'm stopping.